my channel. I am so excited because this is a special video for my little sister Morgan. She is turning the big 25, so we are going to be making her birthday cookies. Woo! I am so excited. I love celebrating people's birthdays. So I am super excited about this. We are going to be making birthday cake cookies. And with that, let's get it started. Now, because this is a big and special birthday, I wanted to use a good amount of colors. I think that 25 is really fun, and now the more I think about it, if she's 25, then that means I am old, but that is okay. We are not talking about me. So for this, we are going to use these 4 colors in our fill bottles. It is red, green, yellow, and blue. And we're going to do the same colors for our piping bags, but I also wanted to add a white, and you'll see why that we need the white as well, but you do just need the white in the piping bag and not in the fill bottle. Okay, so to get this started, I already made my cookies, and with this one I used the same square cookie cutter that I usually use, but on the other side of that cookie cutter it comes with this super duper cute design, so I thought that that might be super fun for this cookie. So we are going to do our outline. So now that we have our outline done, a little fun thing that I like to do, especially if I'm in a hurry, is I'll just take the top off of my fill bottle and I'll just pour that right in the middle. And we're gonna take our toothpick and move that around. And so this icing is about a day old. I put it in the fridge because I did make a couple of other cookies yesterday. So I think that it still is coming out really good. It's not as smooth as my fresh icing is, but I think it still looks pretty good. Now that we've moved this icing around, we are just going to let it dry. Okay, and once it's dried, now we're going to take the yellow. And we are going to make a rectangle. And now fill it in. And now we're gonna let that dry. Great. So while that is drying, we are now going to add the candles. So I'm going to use the other colors that I've not used, which for me are going to be red and green. You can use whichever colors that you prefer, but I liked this kind of color combination. So I'm gonna start with green, and I'm gonna just start that on the end and make one line up, all the way up, almost all the way up. And then I'm just going to take the red and I'm going to put it next to it. And then I'm just gonna do that consistently. Perfect. So as you guessed, these are our candles. So now I'm just gonna take the white and I'm gonna put that to the top of these. And there you go. And now you're going to take your white and you're going to put dots on the bottom. I have about 10. Like so. Ta-da! And then all we are going to add is just a cute little design on the top. So we are going for this one to just do one little half circle that kisses, and then another half circle. Oop, this one's a little funky. But then we've got another half circle and one more. And then I'm just going to connect that again. Like so. And now you have your birthday cookie. It looks super, super good, and it didn't even take long at all. Look at us. Okay, and just like that, we have birthday cookies. So we have the blue one that I made, and then I also made a couple of different colored ones, as you can see. I think that they came out so, so great. I definitely want to say thank you. This was not my idea. I saw this on Pinterest, and I will tag it below for the person that did actually come up with this idea. But I love it, and I think that they came out so good, and now it's time to wrap these up because we are running late for Morgan's birthday party. So I will see y'all later.